Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding and Handling HTTP Error 403 in Python 3 Web Scraping. Introduction. Web scraping is a powerful tool for extracting information from websites, but it comes with challenges, including handling HTTP errors. One common error you may encounter is the HTTP 403 forbidden status code, which occurs when the server understands the request, but it refuses to authorize it. In this tutorial, we'll explore what HTTP error 403 is and how to handle it in Python 3 when scraping publications from a website. Prerequisites. Understanding HTTP error 403. The HTTP 403 forbidden status code indicates that the server understands the request, but it refuses to authorize it. This can happen for various reasons, such as IP blocking, user agent restrictions, or server-side security configurations. Handling HTTP error 403 in Python 3. Step 1. Install required libraries. Make sure you have the necessary libraries installed. Step 2. Import libraries. In your Python script, import the required libraries. Step 3. Set user agent. Some websites block requests with default user agents. Set a user agent to mimic a web browser. Step 4. Send a request with headers. Include the headers in your request to simulate a legitimate browser request. Step 5. Check for HTTP 403 error. Inspect the HTTP status code and handle the 403 error accordingly. Step 6. Use proxies. If the website employs IP blocking, consider using proxies to avoid getting blocked. You can use the requests library with a proxy. Conclusion. Handling HTTP error 403 in Python 3 web scraping involves setting appropriate headers, checking the HTTP status code, and, if necessary, using proxies to avoid IP blocking. By understanding and addressing this error, you can enhance the reliability of your web scraping scripts. Always be respectful of websites' terms of service and policies when scraping data. ChatGPT. Certainly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through handling HTTP error 403, forbidden, while web scraping publications using Python 3. We'll use the popular requests library to make HTTP requests and the beautiful soup library to parse HTML. Make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using the following commands. HTTP error 403 occurs when a server understands the request, but it refuses to authorize it. This often happens when a website detects automated access, like a web scraper, and denies access to its content. To handle HTTP error 403, you can add a user agent to your request headers. Some websites block requests that come from known bot user agents. Using a fake user agent can help you mimic a browser and avoid being blocked. In the example code, I've used the fake_user agent library to generate a random user agent for each request. Install it using pip install fake_user agent. Remember that scraping websites may violate their terms of service, so make sure to review and comply with a website's policy before scraping its content. Additionally, be respectful of the website's resources and use appropriate throttling to avoid putting too much load on their servers. ChatGPT.